Check it out, Scuff Garage. We're looking at a R53 2003 Mini Cooper S. It's got the 1.6 supercharged engine with the 6-speed manual trans. Now right here, oil filter housing and the cooler bolted up to it. Now the cooler's gaskets were leaking severely, ruined the entire back of the engine with oil, and the actual subframe was covered. They go bad. They're circular, kind of on the actual cooler. They're oval-like, but when you buy them, they're circular, so don't get confused. You're going to need 2 of them. They're cheap. You can pick them up at FCP Euro. Next would be the oil filter housing. That's against the engine right here. You got that gasket, so I picked that up also off FCP. Super cheap, easy, and genuine. We're going to clean that up, pop it back in. Now, when I pulled this out, this thing was caked, beyond caked of just shit and dirt and oil. We got a new, brand new filter right here, the man filter. The O-ring's already oiled up, and we're just going to actually assemble it over here. Now, the reason why you're watching this video, not because the oil problems or the O-ring problems, I meant to say. We're talking about this little guy right here. As you can see, has some spring to it. It's called a plunger. Now, mostly, I would say 9 out of 10, that plunger is most likely broken. It's made out of plastic in a high heated area. It's gonna break after a while, especially oil change after oil change. If you're having some sort of odd, I would say, oil pressure issues with your car, this can be a big thing. It's gonna give you very weird oil pressure issues, I would say, around idling and around, you're beginning, just starting to drive under a little bit of load. It's going to also show some signs of low oil pressure. That's a big problem. So if you're having that problem, change that immediately. You can pick it up, and I'm going to put it in the description below the website I picked it up from. You do not want the doorman. You want somebody that's a genuine Mini Cooper part seller that created this, which like I said in the description below, the company, and they made a 3D version printed, and that's it. I'm going to show you what mine originally looked like when I pulled this assembly out because of the oil problem. Bingo. 3 prongs, if I could do it. 3 prongs are on the bottom right here, if it could focus, and they're obviously gone. You're going to want to get the new one. They're going to have the 3 prongs on it, and it looks just like that, and it sets right into place just like that. The 3 prongs will hold it in. When I took this oil filter out, it came right out easily. I looked at it, and obviously all the prongs are broken. That little piece of plastic might be able to cause some problems with your engine, I would assume. Definitely check it out. I think it was about 27 bucks on that site. It's a must-have if you're having oil pressure problems. Hopefully this does help you out. Right now I'm going to be setting everything together before I change the oil in the car, and hopefully we have no more leaks from this point on. I appreciate it. Share with your friends if you have the same issues, and thanks.